Every video you are about to see was created without a camera, without a studio, without leaving my home, and honestly, without me even being there. What you just saw was made possible with HeyGen. And as someone working a 9 to 5 from home while raising 2 young boys, HeyGen has completely changed how we create content. If you wanna do the same, stick around. I'll show you how to clone yourself, the settings most people miss for a more realistic result, and how to make your clone speak any language. Quick heads up, HeyGen is sponsoring this video, but as always, I only cover AI tools I actually use. Find the link in the description. First, you'll need to create an avatar. You've got 2 choices here. If you want to create talking head characters, like bringing Nikola Tesla or Albert Einstein to life, go with the virtual character option. Simply upload the person's image, wait for the AI to process it, pick a suitable voice from the library, and you're set.
If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration.
Now, if you prefer creating an alternative version of yourself, go for the clone real option. Remember, camera and microphone quality matter. The better your recording, the more realistic your clone will be. You can use your webcam or your phone's camera to record yourself. But if you already have a high-definition footage of yourself talking in front of a camera, you should upload this instead. Once HeyGen processes your avatar, you are ready to start creating. And you've got several options here. For short videos, there is the avatar shots feature. You just paste your script, hit run, and that's it. You'll get a video where your avatar perfectly narrates the script you just pasted with accurate lip sync. That's because when you uploaded your footage, HeyGen picked up on everything. Your movements, expressions, voice, and accent. Awesome, isn't it? This is ideal for consistent talking head explanatory videos for educational purposes. Obviously, you can adjust how your voice sounds and how your clone moves, but more on this later. Now, if you are into making short clips for ad purposes, you can switch to cinematic mode. This uses Sedance 2.0 and delivers a cinematic, film-like look. Every video you are about to see was created without a camera. The output is definitely impressive to say the least. On the downside, Sedance produces videos up to 15 seconds long and costs way more credits to use. So, use it wisely. And check this, you are not stuck with how you appear in your original recording. This takes you to a new screen where you can describe how you would like to look in your new avatar. You can become a doctor, podcaster, or even a superhero. Or you can keep your look and just ask the AI to place you in a new scene. Besides, HeyGen has a library of scenes and characters that you can use to swap yourself with. There are plenty of options to choose from. Just find a scenario you like and click Remix Look. You can then select any of these new avatars instead of your original one. Keep in mind that you might have to try this feature multiple times until you get an avatar that looks exactly like you. You can access all these looks you have created at the avatars section. Now, here comes my favorite feature. If you want maximum control over your video, there is the AI Studio. Here, you get to build it scene by scene. Breaking the video into smaller scenes lets you fine-tune everything so you get a flawless result, just like movies. Here is how. Start by creating your first scene. Type what you want to narrate in this initial screen, and then click Add Scene to add additional ones. Then, for each scene, preview your audio to listen to how you sound.
You're using Perplexity wrong. Here are 5 hidden features that will blow your mind.
If you're happy with what you hear, you can move on to creating the rest of the scenes. If not, click Regenerate to have the AI try again.
You're using Perplexity wrong. Here are 5 hidden features that will blow your mind.
Or even upload an audio file with your original voice, and then the AI will lip sync the audio with the clone. But honestly, that's not even necessary. HeyGen does a pretty good job matching your voice on its own. Besides, you can further customize how you sound by clicking here and then improve voice. Aside from voice, you can obviously select which avatar you wish in a given scene. You can choose from the looks you created earlier or create a new one from scratch. Next, there is this super important feature called Motion Engine. This defines your avatar's movements and facial expressions. Avatar 5 is the most advanced model, but in some cases it might distort your facial features. To ensure a solid result, you must preview how you look in each scene. To do so, click Render Scene.
You're using Perplexity wrong. Here are 5 hidden features that will blow your mind.
If there is a scene that you notice unrealistic results, pick Avatar 4 or even 3, which focuses mainly on lip sync.
You're using Perplexity wrong. Here are 5 hidden features that will blow your mind.
Since the AI Studio is ultimately a video editor, it comes packed with more features. 3 of them stood out to me. The first is Elements, where you can insert animated text, which is really useful for explanatory style videos. The second one is Captions. This lets you hard-code subtitles straight onto your videos, which is perfect for reels and shorts. The third one is the Screen Recorder. This one lets you record your screen and HeyGen layers your avatar on top. The main benefit here is that you skip the external editing. Everything is done inside HeyGen, which is super handy. Finally, here is a feature my fellow learning professionals will love. If you create multilingual content like I do, you already know that localizing content, let alone videos, is a massive pain. Thankfully, HeyGen lets you automatically translate your talking head videos. The process is simple. You can either select one of your videos created in HeyGen or upload a new one. Then you select your output language and let the AI do its thing.
Δημιούργησα αυτά τα οπτικά σε λιγότερο από 1 λεπτό και σε αυτό το βίντεο θα σου δείξω πώς. Πρώτα, πήγαινε στο Gemini. Βεβαιώσου ότι η λειτουργία σκέψης είναι ενεργοποιημένη. Αυτό δίνει στην τεχνητή νοημοσύνη τη δύναμη συλλογισμού που χρειάζεται για να εξηγήσει.
See, with HeyGen you can create a perfectly lip-synced video narrated in your language of choice without having to hire any voice talents. Obviously, you can make any changes to this new video by bringing it into the AI Studio. I've already used HeyGen on a few of my recent videos and none of you noticed. That's all I needed to know about whether it was worth the investment. As I said at the start, I'm picky, and HeyGen earned its spot. It completely changed how I create educational content and social media videos. Now, if you wish to further boost your social media presence or help your students understand concepts the easy way, then don't miss the video shown on your screen to discover how to create incredible sketch notes for free. Till the next time, see you.